for the deer. See? That's for the deer to eat. And they live in there sometimes. You know? See that? Okay? How do you like that? All right. Make a circle around it. Make a big circle around it. And then the deer can eat that right there. And they live in there. Pretty cool, huh? Almost hit that rock. Okay. There, that takes care of that. Alright. Now, I'll turn this off. Okay. Let's go down this way, okay? Pile of gravel. There's the creek. See it?
Found the creek.
We found the creek, didn't we? All right. We'll go down to a different part of the creek, okay? You know where we're at, Rain? Yeah, we're at the creek. Yeah. The what? It's all gone. Your rock tower's all gone, see it? That's because the water washed it away. Look at that! Look at that! A branch fell in the road. Where'd that come from? You know what? You want to go by the creek? Okay. You want to go down and take a look at it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go on down there.
I throw my shorts up because they're too big.
Yeah, don't walk in the water yet. We're gonna go tomorrow, okay? All right?
Yeah, but how are we gonna get across there?
Oh, we're not gonna cross the creek today. We'll cross it tomorrow when we go playing in the sun.
In the morning?
Yeah, in the afternoon. Yeah.
Only if it's not hot outside.
Boy, that's a big jump from there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go down and check it out.
Yeah. See if it's good.
But don't go in the water yet, right?
Hey, don't go in the water yet. Don't go from.
Can you see any fish in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a million of them. There's a million fish in there. Don't throw that big rock in there. You'll scare them.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Yeah, not too good, is it? Look, there's the ducks down there. See them down there?
Yeah.
They're coming this way. Oh, they see us and they're going to turn around.
Yeah.
They live right across the creek.
This is fun.
Okay. I don't see any deer tonight.
What?
I don't see any deer. Sometimes they show up this time of the night. All right. Are you guys having a... Hey, don't throw that in. That's my rock. Don't throw that one in. I'm keeping that one. Don't throw it in.
I'm not.
You better not. Here. I'll tell you what I'm going to do with it. I'll throw it up the hill. And I'm going to keep that one. Okay? Some of them I find in the creek and I keep them. You know that?
Yeah.
And I use them to build with. Okay? All right. You ready to go back up?
Yeah.
No. Okay. You ready? Oh, yeah. Put your legs down there. Yeah, hold on to that and lean on that bar. Yeah, just like that, okay? Can you turn around and put your legs over here? Can you put your legs down there? And then you can lean on that bar. And then, no, because your feet's on the wheel. Whoa, you can't do that, can you? Can you put both your legs on this side? Yeah. Don't lose that. Okay. All right, you ready? Here we go, we're moving. Okay, we're moving. Ride the grab us back there. Pretty good. Pretty good. We'll go for another ride. We'll go up because the mosquitoes are bothering us, right? We gotta get out of here. The mosquitoes are starting to bite. Whew. We don't want that. All right. Turn the camera around. Oh yeah. All right. turn on the lawnmower and get a little spot right through here. All right? All right. We've got some grass now, you know that? Uh-oh. Guess what? It's only cold when you first get in, right?
Yeah, I must be gonna drip now.
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Feel good? The water feel good?
Yeah, that's the drip.
Okay.
That's the water.
There. That's the rock tower you guys built. Right. Rain. You gonna get some more rocks? All right. Pretty cool.
I think I'm gonna drip now.
Are you gonna come closer? And get your pants wet? That's cool. The water cold?
Yep, yeah.
Nah. Sit down.
I'll be holding it.
No? Okay, now sit down.
No,
I dare you.
I don't want the thing.
Okay.
Wow.
It's too cold. Okay. Where's your rock tower? There it is. There's your rock tower. Look at it.
Good.